Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to use VoiceThread to complete your assignment for a class. I'm using a PC and Chrome browser for this tutorial, so your view might look different depending on what system and browser you're using. A note before we start, if this is your first time using VoiceThread, you might need to create a VoiceThread account before you can use it. For some school, like the U of M as of this recording, an account will automatically be created for you when you first interact with VoiceThread. For others, you might need to create an account on your own. So check with your instructor to get clarification. If you find out that you need to create a VoiceThread account on your own, no worries, just go to the VoiceThread website at voicethread.com, then fill in the necessary information and click on the blue register button when you are done. Once you have created an account, you should be able to do your assignments. In terms of assignments, there are 3 types of VoiceThread assignments that your instructor could create for you. Your instructor could ask you to create your own VoiceThread and submit it as an assignment. This is a Create a VoiceThread assignment. Your instructor could ask you to view and comment on a VoiceThread already made for you. This is a Comment on a VoiceThread assignment. Finally, your instructor could ask you to just view a VoiceThread already made for you. This is the Watch a VoiceThread assignment. In this video, I will walk you through the process of completing a Create a VoiceThread assignment. Okay, let us get started. First, find your VoiceThread assignment within your course and click on it. Doing so will take you into the VoiceThread platform. Towards the upper left-hand corner of the platform, you will find the assignment's title as well as the assignment's description. Be sure to read the assignment descriptions for instructions on how to complete the assignment. As mentioned earlier, for this assignment, you will need to create a VoiceThread. To create a VoiceThread, click on the white Create New VoiceThread button. Next, you need to add a media. There are a few types of media that you could add. For example, you could add photos, videos, audios, or a combination. Check with your instructors to get an idea of what type of media he or she would like you to use to create your VoiceThread. There are a few ways you can add media to your VoiceThread. If you have the files that you would like to use from your computer, you can go ahead and drag it to the space provided here. Alternatively, you can click on the white plus button next to the Add Media text. Click on the My Computer option, find your files, select it, and click on the Open button to upload your files. While I'm here, notice that there are other options available to you when you click on the white Add Media button. Other options include Media Sources. Here you can add medias via a cloud-based source. To use this option, click on it and select the cloud-based source you would like to use. For the audio recording option, you could record yourself talking using your computer's microphone. To use this option, click on it, click on the Allow button to allow the program to have access to your computer's camera and microphone. You may also be asked to enable Flash on your browser. Go ahead and do so when asked. Once you have allowed the program to have access to your camera and microphone, go ahead and click on the red Record button towards the bottom and start recording. The Webcam Photo option will allow you to take photo of yourself and/or other items via your computer's webcam. To use this option, click on it, allow the program access to your computer's camera and microphone if asked, and click on the camera icon towards the bottom. The webcam video option is similar to the audio recording option, except this option will allow you to both video and audio record yourself to use to create your VoiceThread. Finally, the URL option allows you to share a media like video that is hosted elsewhere, like YouTube, for example. To use this option, click on it and paste the URL of the media that you would like to use in the box provided. Then click Save. For this example, I have files that I would like to use for my VoiceThread, and it is located on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it to the space provided here to add my files. Next, give your VoiceThread a title and description. You are also welcome to add text to your VoiceThread if you like. This will make it easier to organize and to find for later use. I'm going to skip this option for now. While you are here, I would encourage you to explore other options, such as playback options and art cover, that are available to you. I am going to leave everything as is for now. Click on the blue Save button when you are done. Once your files are uploaded, you are then brought to this screen. Here, you have a few more options available to you. You could add more files by clicking on this white button here or here. If you want to change your VoiceThread title, you could do so by clicking on the pencil here. Finally, you can add comments to your VoiceThread by clicking on this comment icon. Clicking on the comment icon will take you to this screen. Here, you have multiple options to add comments to your VoiceThread. To see this option, click on this plus comment icon. As you can see, you could add text to your VoiceThread by clicking on the ABC icon. The phone icon will allow you to add narration to your VoiceThread via your phone. The microphone icon will allow you to add narration using your computer's microphone. Remember to allow the program access to your computer's camera and microphone. Notice for this option, you could also add annotations to your media. To add annotations, click on the yellow pencil here. Once you have done that, you will see different color pencil that you could use to create your annotations. To use the color pencil, click on the one that you want and then draw on your media by holding down the left mouse button while having your pencil over your media. When you are done recording and annotating, click on the Stop Recording button. The camera icon will allow you to add video comments as well as audio. Similar to the audio option, to use this option, click on the camera icon, wait for the countdown to reach 0, and start your recording. Just like the audio comment, you could add annotations to your media with this option also. When you are done, click on the Stop Recording button. Once you have completed your recorded comments, you could preview them and choose to either do it again by clicking on the Cancel button or save your recorded comments by clicking on the Save button. While I'm here, just a note that you have the same preview, cancel, and save options with the audio comments option also. Finally, you can upload a previously created comment by using this option. With this option, you are able to upload a previously made comment, for example, a previously recorded audio comment, to your VoiceThread. You are not limited to adding comments to one media. You could include a comment for each media that you have uploaded. For instance, in this example, I could include a comment for each picture that I have uploaded. To move from one media to another, or one picture to another in my case, use this button. Again, click on the comment icon to review options to add comments. When you are done adding comments to your media, click on the X button towards the upper right-hand corner to exit the Add Comment screen. Once you are ready to submit your VoiceThread, click on the blue Submit Assignment button. Next, decide on whether you would like to share your VoiceThread with the rest of the class or just your instructor. Please check with your instructor to get this information. Finally, click on the blue Submit Assignment button and you are done. Thank you for watching this video on how to use VoiceThread to complete your assignments for a class. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. If you are looking for a YouTube community to be a part of, you are very much welcome to join our community. Simply click on the subscribe button to be a member. Pixascene community members will receive notice of the latest video as soon as it is published. As always, your comments are welcome and valued. Until next time, thank you and take care.